Hey everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to learn about how to change notification of your Messenger app. To change your Messenger notification, first open your Messenger app on your device. Click the button over here. After that, go to the settings menu. Scroll down to the notification and sound option and click on it. Here you can change your Messenger notification. Go to text tone over here. Now choose a sound you would like to keep for your notification. I am going to keep this sound for my notification. Now the notification of a Messenger app is changed. If you have any queries, drop down a comment on this video section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.